Look at all this stuff, god damn it.
Initiating.
It's Monday. Let's get started with cleaning up my flat. Let's start with the kitchen. This is the first bag of stuff right here. Let me get a bit more. Alrighty. Here is one more. The real reason I had to go back was because I forgot my camera. This should definitely do. And also, good thing that I'm wearing a Kenway suit because it's fairly cold. Let's do this. I'm almost done with one side. It's so disgusting. Everything is like nasty. The good thing is it goes off, but like it's nasty. There we go. It was way more time consuming than expected, but now I'm done. Look how many freaking towels I have. I got them from my grandparents, as well as tons of cornflakes. One day I will certainly need it, so yeah. Let's bring more stuff. Oh my god. I have so much stuff. Look at all this stuff, god damn it. By the way, when I was done with the kitchen, it said 18.0 degrees centigrade. There we go. There we go again. It's already getting dark, so yeah, it's time to edit some videos. That's it for today and I will see you tomorrow.